Now your animation is complete. When you enter in the 5 number input and click convert button, the animation will add paragraphs to the DOM, update the text of each paragraph, and then remove the paragraphs from the DOM. Ooh, ooh, I like it. Ooh, what the? Okay, okay. There it is. I guess that's animation. The last thing you need to do is to add the result of converting the number 5 into binary to the page once the animation is complete. After the for each method, for each, where are you? Okay, here, it ended here. So after it, add set timeout function. Set timeout function, it has an empty callback function. Okay, empty callback function, set it as the first argument. There should be a second argument of 20,000. Whew, okay.